ma'am?
Marvin.
Welcome to Philippines, Argao.
We just finished processing our Philippine ID, process ID. It will be delivered to the house, but it just took me less than 1 hour. So you can actually walk in. You just need to go to your barangay if wala mo valid ID. So if you don't have a valid ID, you just need to get a barangay certificate. Pero kung na may valid ID, pwede na mo walk in dito. So they open 8 AM, but they have a cut-off because nasa like quota-quota. So dali ra kayo. Na na ko ID coming. Thank you. Thank you, Argao.